Welcome to pdftoolz.site. In this video, I'll show you how to convert images into a PDF file in Ultra HD quality. Open your browser. In the search bar, type PDF Tools and press Enter. Click on the link to open pdftoolz.site. Scroll down and click on the Images to PDF tool. Go to the Upload area. Click the Select Images button. Choose the images you want to convert. Set the format options: page size, image fit, and page orientation. Click the Convert button. Once the conversion is complete, click the Download button to get your PDF file. Your images have been successfully converted into a high-quality PDF. Thank you for watching. Like, share, follow, and subscribe for more helpful videos.